morning, TJ, and welcome to today's edition of TJ TV News. My name is Shri.
And my name is Ananya. Today is Tuesday, November 24th.
Do you want to contribute your artistic abilities to the TJ community? Consider signing up to help paint a mural coming to the TJ Lecture Hall. This project requires dedication, so be prepared to take time out of your week to attend meetings and to paint the mural. More details can be found on this form, so check it out.
We are dedicating this feature to the incredible teachers who are willing to stare at black screens and remain engaging in an online classroom. Although we have questions that go unanswered and we don't turn our cameras on, we are thankful for your check-ins, your patience, and for helping us find comfort in community. This is Dear Teachers.
Students are not alone in their struggles with online schooling. Faced with a completely different method of teaching, our teachers have also faced countless difficulties in their transition to a virtual classroom.
I know that in regular school, teachers are kind of used to seeing the students and interacting with them in person. And I know online a lot of people are reluctant to put on their cameras or turn on their mics. And for teachers that I've talked to, they say that this is probably the hardest part, is not really being able to interact with their class. It's kind of just like sitting on a blank wall. And I'm assuming for teachers, it's a lot worse too, because they're just essentially talking to a blank screen for most classes for almost 8 hours a day, which is really painful.
I know that some of my teachers are having difficulty grading online. It's taking much longer than grading real papers in person. And I've also heard that some of my teachers are getting eye strain from looking at the screen for too long.
Despite these struggles, teachers continue to go above and beyond to make this virtual experience the best it can be.
A lot of my teachers switched to a Google site, which helps organize all the assignments and tests and schedules.
In DNA, we have these really fun lab videos with these students, and they're really cute and wholesome, and they make the lab a lot more fun to do, and because it's obviously not the same online.
There are certain activities like in Geosystems, which you can't really do online, so teachers have to find workarounds for this. So a lot of teachers have been finding new methods online and new applications to kind of give us the same experience, but online instead.
We have these things called mood boards, so every day when we come to class, we have to pinpoint exactly how we're feeling, and it's a good way to gauge the energy in the room, the way that you could in a real class, but now it's online.
In addition to missing out on in-school activities and talking to friends, students also miss seeing their teachers.
In a normal school year, I would get to actually learn about them and understand I guess just get to know them better and who they are outside of teaching. And I didn't really get to do that this year.
From internet difficulties to testing mishaps, our teachers have stuck with us through thick and thin. So this Thanksgiving, take the time to thank a teacher who has helped you especially during this difficult time.
Yeah, so I'm thankful to my teachers for kind of sticking with this online program, even though it's difficult for them. Like I've said before, this lack of being able to see the students in person means that they're really not teaching their course the way they've taught for, the past couple years. So I appreciate that they've been making the effort to kind of transition to this online class and give us their best effort when they're teaching.
So make sure to show your appreciation by making a video.
I'm just thankful that despite that, they're still always willing to go the extra mile.
By writing a song, or simply just by sending them a short message.
For always bringing your best attitude.
So enjoy your Thanksgiving.
Remember to follow us on Instagram, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or listen to the TJ TV Podcast Network on SoundCloud. For TJ TV News, this is Shri Velakat
And Ananya Chilkamari. Enjoy and celebrate your Thanksgiving away from electronics. Thanks for watching us, and we'll see you next week.